Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix unable to install update iOS 18.1. Excited about iOS 18.1's new features but can't seem to install an update on your iPhone or iPad? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many users have reported facing error installing iOS 18.1. From error messages to stuck downloads, these problems can be frustrating. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check for iPhone storage. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then choose iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. If the available space is low, try and free up space by deleting unused apps, offloading data from apps, removing unwanted media files, and you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple force restart can resolve software glitches. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider shows up, so slide to power off and then wait for some time. After some time, press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. Next step is check internet connection. For this, check if other apps or websites are loading correctly on your device. Then toggle airplane mode on and off. For this, tap on airplane mode icon from the control center. Then wait for some time and after some time tap on it again to disable it. Or you can forget the Wi-Fi network or reconnect it. For this, you just need to press the I icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Then choose forget this network and tap on forget again to confirm. After forget your network, reconnect it again and try to install iOS 18.1. And you are done. And the next step is remove and download the iOS update again. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then choose iPhone storage. Then scroll down until you see your update. Tap on it. Then tap on delete update. Choose delete update. Then go back to your general page and choose software update and try to install iOS 18.1 again. And you are done. Please turn off low power mode. For this, go to settings, then choose battery. Then tap on low power mode toggle button to disable it and you are done. I hope this video will fix your issue of unable to install update iOS 18.1, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.